Great advice about learning how to make money online that anyone can easily follow. Do you want to have a little extra money coming into your house? What about an entirely new job? How would you like to do that from the comfort of your own home on the internet? That is possible, and you just need to learn some tips about making money online. Keep watching for some great advice. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Give surveys a try for the fun of it. There are a plethora of surveys to pick from on the internet. In fact, they are an excellent option for making money online. Depending on where you are taking these surveys, they often won't pay very much. However, they can be done while you're watching TV if you like, and the money will add up. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and PaperPost. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. Remember that who you work for is as important as the work you do. Anyone who is looking for workers who will be happy with working for pennies isn't the kind of employer you want to work under. Look for someone or a company who pays fairly, treats workers well and respects you. Now that you've had a chance to read about making money online, you can start to do it. All you need to do is to use the suggestions above, and you'll be well on your way. Soon you can make a bit more money, or even start a whole new life due to your earnings. Student loan,